TikTok, how to add text to speech. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can add text to speech on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add text to speech on TikTok, it's actually quite simple. You can just try opening the TikTok application over here. Once you launch a TikTok app, tap the plus icon from the bottom of the screen and then just choose the, let's say, photos or videos, whatever else it is that you want to add. Select them and then tap the next option. Now if you want to silence them, you can also do that. And if you want to maybe, let's say, add a text to speech, on the right hand side you should be able to see different sorts of interface where you can actually add a voice if you want. So you can choose a voice and then you can record a voice and add your own voice. But if you want to convert a text to speech, tap the text option here and then just type in whatever else you prefer over here, right? So once you select whatever option you prefer here, you should be able to see this. And now if you want to convert this to a voice, you can select that, select text to speech, and that text will get converted into a speech. This way you should be able to do text to speech on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.